Good morning, students. Students, we are going to do sonometer 1 experiment today. See what all. See, first we will just go through the apparatus what is there. See, these two are the knife edges. You can see this is the knife edges. This is the sonometer table you can see. Alright, the table top and all you will see. So this is the sonometer you can see here. Alright, like there is a like string is there and there is a hanger. On the hanger there is one weight and this weight is of 500 gram. Hanger is also of 500 gram. So total it becomes 1000. So 1000 gram, and then this I will suspend it from the edge. If you see there is an edge, no, it's from the edge here, this I will just suspend it. I can show it now everything on the video, but I am suspending it down here. I have to keep the knife edges very close. Initially the knife edges are to be kept very close. That is close to the 50, there I have to keep these two knife edges very close. And this is a paper piece. This one is a paper piece which I will be keeping it. In between the two knife edges I will keep the paper piece. Now see what you have to do is, there are many tuning forks. What are the tuning forks and all? See, you must have seen a tuning fork like this. There is one set which is kept. I'll just show it to you as set. This is a set of tuning fork. Okay. So on that tuning fork, there are frequencies written. If this is one tuning fork, the frequency which is like the maximum is 480 in this one. It is written here 480. 480 hertz. It can be 512. In some set it is 512 hertz. So in this one it is 480 hertz. And this is called rubber pad. What you have to do is simply, you have to hit these two. These two are called prongs. Hit the prongs of the tuning fork on the rubber pad. And then you have to place the stem of the tuning fork on the knife edge. These two are the knife edges. You can see the paper rider is there in between. Initially the knife edges should be close. What you have to do, again I am repeating it. You have to hit the tuning fork, the prongs of the tuning fork, you have to hit it on the rubber pad and then place the stem of the tuning fork on the tabletop. Then slowly you have to move the knife edges. You can move both together or you can move one knife edge then the other one like this. So that always you should see to it that approximately the paper rider should be at the center every time. It is not necessary, it is like in the book it is written that you have to move both the knife edges away together. That's not necessary. You can move any one of them, but you should see to it that the paper rider is at the center of between the two knife edges. So I am trying out, and what you will see, observe is, the paper rider starts shivering, that is it starts moving when we adjust some distance. Then there will be a particular distance when we say resonance is taking place. When resonance takes place, that time the paper rider will fall. And with the help of a half meter scale, you have to note down the distance between the two knife edges from the top knife edge, this end to this end. What is the distance between them? The length. That is the experiment. You have to see the frequency of the tuning fork. You have to find out the length when the paper rider falls. This is called paper rider, paper piece. It is just a simple paper piece which will fall. So at what distance between the two knife edges the paper rider is going to fall? For different frequencies, that length will be different. So that is what you have to note down. Alright. So I hope the experiment is very clear to you. Alright. Now see, I am just showing it to you. First I am striking it. Then again you will go for another tuning fork. The third tuning fork. Like this you have to repeat it for 5 different tuning fork. We are doing sonometer 1 experiment, which proves that frequency is inversely proportional to length. Matlab, जैसे frequency, as you decrease the frequency, if I take the maximum frequency in this particular set is 480 hertz. So I took 480 hertz. Then there is 426 hertz. So like that, when the frequency decreases, the length between the knife edges should increase. That is what we are going to do. So let us see this. See, I have placed it. Okay, I will repeat the same thing. I am moving one knife edge. Then I will move the other knife edge. If you listen properly, there is a sound which is heard. Sorry, this not, I kept it a little bit. See, you have to keep it very light, slowly you have to keep it. See, now it is a little bit moving. Yeah, see, it is falling also in fact. So, see, once again I will try at this particular length. If I keep it on the other knife edge, see, it is falling. So, what does it mean? This is the length. See, the moment I keep it, okay, let me again adjust a little bit. Yeah, see, when I am adjusting the knife edges, and if I keep the stem of the tuning fork slowly also, the paper rider should fall. See, now it is shivering, we can say. It's not exact. See, it has fallen. Now, once again, I will just try it once again. Yeah. See, this way the paper rider is falling. So, see again, this is the tuning fork of 480 hertz. I will hit it on the rubber pad, I will place it, it's falling. So, this particular length I will have to note down. The length which is coming out here is, it's coming 15, once again, it is coming 17 now, because I have kept it from 1. ये end में 1 है, यहाँ पे 17 है. तो 1 और 17 के बीच का distance मतलब 16. It is going to come exactly 16. So 16 centimeter will come because I have started from 1, not from 0. Left hand side is 1 and right hand side is, this knife edge is 17. 17 and 1. So 17 minus 1, 16 centimeter will come. So for a frequency of 480 hertz, this length is 17. This is one of the things. Then what I will do? I will have to do one more reading. How to do that? That is length L1. I will just move it a little bit inside. Again I will do the same thing. Repeat the same thing. Once again I will try it out. You just see. This is the observation. It should be very clear. See, you have to keep it very slowly. You can't keep it like a little bit hard. You should not keep the stem. It should be like stem of the tuning fork should be kept very slowly. So I am there in your lab only, in your physics lab only. So let me just see, I have kept it a little hard I suppose. Let me just try once again. Yes, sorry. This knife, the paper rider is at the center. Whatever little knowledge, whatever little trial, I am just doing it. Okay, video recording it. So there is a possibility of some human mistake and all. See, this is, again I am showing it to you. These are the paper rider. Once again I have done that. So I think it is now, length is correct. Once again I will try because little bit, one more try. Oh yeah, it's falling. So this length is correct. So let me note down once again the length. Previously it was 16. So now let me just see this one I have kept. And this is coming 16.8 is coming. So 16.8 minus 1. 16.8 minus 1. Very close to this one, 17. Close to, see, 16.8 minus 1. Because I have kept this. So this is like 16.8 minus 1 is how much? 16.8 minus 1 will give me 15.8. Previously it was 17 and this was 1. So pehla reading tha 16. So for first reading it was 16. For the second reading of using the same tuning fork, I got 16.8. So the two readings for 480 Hertz frequency tuning fork is L1 was 16 because 17 minus 1 I did. And the second one was 16.8, alright, because it was like 16.8 minus 1, sorry, 16.8 minus 1. 16.8 minus 1 will give me 15.8 for the second one. And the first one was 17 minus 1, that is 16. So the two readings are, one is 16 and the other one is 15.8. Let me correct it once again. The first reading was कितना मिला था आपको 16, because what I did 17 था यहाँ पे 1 था, 17 minus 1, तो उसके knife edge के बीच का length is, the length between the knife edges is how much? 16 in that case. This one it is 16.8 on the right hand side, left hand side में 1 से चालू किया, तो 16.8 minus 1 15.8. So two readings 15.8 and 16 for 480 hertz. Then I will repeat the same thing with another one which is 426. Same thing I have to do. Same thing I have to keep it again like this. The knife edges are to be kept. Now wherever I have stopped, because I took the maximum frequency of this set, which is 480, the next is 426. What will happen to the distance between the two knife edge? Frequency is inversely proportional to length. So when frequency decreases, the distance between the knife edge should increase. So if I do it now, let me just try it. So ideally what should happen? The paper rider should fall. But when it should fall for a length which is more than this. So let us see. Okay. So I am hitting it. Let me just try once again. This is for, yes. See now this is for another frequency which is 426. See, paper rider is directly falling. So it is falling. The moment I am touching the stump, it is falling. And if I note down the length, what is coming out here is this is 1 में रखा मैंने यहाँ पे, and it has come here 17.8. 17.8 on the right hand side, left hand side is 1. So 17.8 minus 1, 16.8. So your first reading using second tuning fork of frequency 426 is 16.8, because 17.8 minus 1. And again you will have to bring it little closer, then repeat it. Then you will go for the third tuning fork, fourth tuning fork, 5 tuning fork. And then what the calculation has to be done, that I will show it to you. Alright. So I will be showing you the calculation how it is done. So you have understood the experiment. You have to take 5 different tuning forks. Alright. And every time what you will have to do is you will have to adjust the length. Now one question comes ki why this paper rider is falling? What is the reason behind that? The reason is the frequency, the stem of the tuning fork, when it is kept on the tabletop, the frequency with which the prongs are vibrating. See, the moment you keep the stem of the tuning fork on the tabletop is made to vibrate. The tabletop will vibrate, and because of this, the string which is there, you can see a string is there here. The string starts vibrating, which we will not be able to see that. When the frequency of the tuning fork matches with the frequency of vibration of the string, that time what will happen is we say resonance is taking place. And when resonance is taking place, that time the string vibrates, the string particle vibrates with maximum amplitude. And that's the reason why the paper rider is falling. So what you understand by resonance is, like, resonance means two frequency will be equal. One, the frequency, the external source is this one, the frequency of the tuning fork will be equal to the frequency with which the string will vibrate. Why the string is vibrating? Because the string is connected to the tabletop. Why tabletop is vibrating? Because I am keeping the stem of the tuning fork on the tabletop. On the tabletop means this is a tabletop. There is scale which is there here. On this now, if you observe this, there is a scale which is there. The scale is there, this side and this side. This is 1 meter scale, 1 meter scale. So ideally you have to keep the knife edge where in between the paper rider should be kept at 50 centimeter. The knife edges should be on the two sides. One is on the left hand side, the other one should be on the right hand side. So paper rider should be between the knife edge. You have to keep very close and slowly start moving it. So this is the experiment. Now how to calculate the readings? You have to just find out frequency into length. Again I will repeat. Frequency first we took was 486. We got two length L1, L2. We should take the mean, which is going to give you L. So frequency into length should be always constant. That is sonometer 1 experiment. Our aim is to prove that frequency is inversely proportional to length. frequency into length will always remain constant. If I decrease the frequency, the length between the knife edge will increase. Now how the table has to be filled up and all, that I am just showing it to you. Alright, that we will do it, I will show it to you on paper. But this is the video is this much. Okay. Thank you very much.